Hi, I'm Lana Burnley of Solid Rock Realty, and I'm here to tell you all about Chapman Mills Drive, specifically 601C Chapman Mills Drive. This location is absolutely perfect. You are very close to shopping. You're 5 minutes away from Walmart and the squares and banking. There are 2 public schools as well as a high school right around the corner.
Hi, this is Nicole Lee from Solid Rock Realty. I'm standing in front of 601C Chapman Mills Drive. This stack home is rebuilt totally new from the top to the bottom. You will find 2 good-sized bedrooms with individual full bathrooms. One den on the main floor is a hidden gem. Let's come in, take a look.